na isang oras? Hindi, no? Gutom na kayo, di ba? May maraming biskwit dyan. Baka pwede ba natin ipasa ulit ang biskwit habang nag-antay sila isang oras ng speech ko, may meron silang kakainin. Kaya? Kaya, no? Actually, nagpapasalamat ka ng TV, Surigao really has a special place in my heart. Kasi po, I always remember nung nagkaroon kami ng Catholic Family Bible Quiz sa buong Pilipinas, it is in Surigao where we gather more than 72 families. Tama, Bishop? Kaya Bishop has been a very good friend of mine. Kaya Bishop Kabaho, thank you so much for arranging this one again with Sister Emelita and Sister Rosalie, the President's Principal, diba, no? And of course, palakpakan nyo si Miss Peace Malugonalos ng NAC-TV because she's the one coordinating them. At gusto ko rin pasalamatan din ang mga NAC-TV who came with us. 12 o'clock pa lang nasa airport na kasi marami kaming dinalang candy. Takot kami ma-overweight, no? Ganun ang pagmamahal ng TV. We wanted everybody to go home na full of wisdom, full of, sabihin natin, satisfaction, spiritual aspect, saka yung kanilang tiyan. Kaya I'm sure, mga bata, pwede na kayo magkutkot ng lollipop, di ba? No? And of course, the parents, gusto din namin magpasalamat sa inyo because I know Saturday is always a day of family, tama? But you spend time to be with us, kaya meron din kayong pasalubong sa mga anak ninyo para malaman nila, mahal nyo sila, kahit nandito kayo, sila pa rin ang iniisip nyo. At sa mga teacher, natutuwa kami, maraming teacher because you are the second parents ng mga generation na yun, yung Gen Alpha. And your role is very important. Masasabi ko, sa pag-interview ko sa mga bata who joined the Olympic, ang kagaling nila. Sa murang edad na 10 to 12 years old, from grade 5 and grade 6, sabi ko, what is the reason why you won the game? Tatlong games yun eh. Yung piko, tumbang data, at patintero. Kayo mga parents, sanay tayo dyan, di ba? Alam mo, sa murang edad, sabi nila, teamwork, communication, strategy. Oy, may strategy din pala sila. At friendship. Ang dami ko natutuwa sa pag-i-interview sa kanila, no? Tsaka magaling mag-English, talo ako kasi natalo ako pag sila. Talagang they were all English speaking because ang galing ng turo ng sermon. I didn't wonder. So yun lang gusto ko iparating sa inyo. All of you plays a very important part in the success of this. And Surigao, even nung nag-typhoon track pa kayo noon, I was here, I saw how the typhoon affected, no? So, kaya talagang hindi ko makakalimutan Surigao. Kaya kahit maaga kami, we travel from Butuan to here, no? Okay lang, basta mabigyan namin kayo ng pansin, makinig kami sa inyo because it's also very important to learn from one another and what can we do to you. No? So yung mga bata, we give them the chance to speak up. Kaya nakita namin, sabi ko, meron ba may problema? Out of 23 kids, dalawang bata ang may problema. But I did not ask them, but I think it's all about family. That's why napakalaga in-specify namin, mga magulang, you need to spend time with your children. Sila po ang next generation leader natin and I will tell you, napakatalino nila. I just talked to Sister Rosa, sabi niya, may isang grade 4 student, scientist, she lived by the sea, she created water, how to clean yung mga madudumi dito. Imagine, future scientists. Sabi niya, and she approached a lot of mayor here, they all agree with her. Ngayon, ang next project niya is how to segregate ang mga dumi, di ba? Kayo, kung ang anak ninyo na nakikita ko na matatalino, give them a chance, spend time with them, and tell them, no, you love them, don't give them problem. At sila, we will train them next year. We asked university, isasali natin 5 bata, mapipili, 8 to 12 years old, and 13 to 17 to join the Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children, which is what we call your Cine Bata. And yung mananalo, bibigyan natin ng 2-day workshop next year, how to tell us a story, you know, yung content, using iPhone, iPad. At doon natin ma-realize kung ano ang concern nila by listening to them, by knowing how their mind works, then we will know how to help them.